You join me today in the most perfect rural location. I'm just 2.5 miles from the village of Stockton and just 1.5 miles to Knapton on the Hill. Knapton on the Hill offers a surprisingly large number of amenities for a small village, including 2 pubs, a social club, an award-winning village store including post office, and much more. Stockton also offers a fantastic village store with post office, pub, social club, football club and superb cafe with locally sourced produce. Both also offer fantastic primary schools. The property is situated at the heart of the local canal network, which offers a fantastic range of paths and canal-side pubs. It is in easy travelling distance of Leamington Spa, Banbury, Coventry, Rugby and Daventry, with a choice of train stations all under 30 minutes drive away and Birmingham Airport just 45 minutes away. I'm about to show you Home Farm Cottage, which is situated in about a ½ acre plot. It's a beautifully presented, south-facing, 5-bed detached property with a triple garage and spacious room above. I'm Nicky Moore and welcome to Home Farm Cottage. You join me at the end of the tour in the private garden. If you would like any more information or to arrange a viewing, please contact me with the details that will follow.